Hello and welcome to Shulini TV. I'm Vartika, bringing you the latest stories and highlights from around the campus. But let us first look at the headlines. Shulini salutes its real heroes. 160 admissions, 70 staff honored, teamwork wins big. From classroom to cosmos, Dr. Shalini Thakur sparks scientific fire at Shulini. Big break for Shulini students, entry into prestigious KGI Biocan Academy. Back with a bang, Zumba, DJ night and new energy on campus. We begin with the celebration of collaboration and commitment as Shulini University recognized faculty and staff for their contribution to strengthening admissions through reference. Our correspondent brings us this report.
The Employee Referral Reward ceremony was held on February 3, 2026 at the MS Swaminathan Seminar Hall. On behalf of the Honorable Chancellor, the event was organized to recognize and appreciate the dedication, commitment and collaborative spirit of faculty and staff members who actively contributed to strengthening university admissions through the Employee Referral Program. Through this initiative, the university successfully achieved more than 160 admissions, while around 70 employees were felicitated with rewards worth approximately Rs 4.5 lakhs. The ceremony aimed to acknowledge collective efforts, boost employee morale, and encourage continued participation in important institutional initiatives. The ceremony highlighted how teamwork and shared responsibility plays a vital role in institutional growth and success. With camera person Prem Bhatti, this is Tanisha, Shulini TV, Solan.
Next, an inspiring academic session as students at Shulini University engaged with advanced scientific research through an expert talk by Dr. Shalini Thakur has the report.
The expert talk by Dr. Shalini Thakur turned into a highly engaging and intellectually stimulating session with students showing enthusiastic participation throughout the program. They actively interacted with the speaker, raised thoughtful and well-researched questions, and displayed keen interest in understanding complex concepts related to high-energy physics. The interactive session created a vibrant academic atmosphere and encouraged students to think beyond classroom learning. The event held special emotional and academic significance as Dr. Thakur returned to her alma mater as a successful and accomplished scientist. Her journey served as a source of inspiration for young learners. The session received strong support from the Dean, university leadership, and faculty members, highlighting Shulini University's continuous commitment to promoting research, culture, academic excellence, and innovation-driven education. The talk served as a motivating platform, encouraging students to explore research-driven academic pathways. With camera person Weber, this is Kev Sethi, Shulini TV, Solan.
In our next story, Shulini University students marked a proud milestone as they began their journey at the prestigious KGI Biocan Academy program.
BTech Biotechnology 8th semester students Prekshi, Prachi and Hardik have successfully commenced their journey in the highly competitive and prestigious KGI Biocon Academy program by securing selection in this elite platform. They have become part of a rigorous industry academia learning environment where they are receiving advanced training alongside postgraduate participants and young professionals from across the country. The students described their first day at the academy as intense, informative and highly enriching, featuring interactive sessions with senior academy leaders, industry experts and experienced mentors. The exposure proved to be both challenging and motivating, helping them gain practical insights and professional confidence. This experience marks a strong and promising beginning to their academic and career journey in the biotechnology sector.
The achievement reflects strong mentoring and growing opportunities for early industry exposure at Shulini University. With camera person Brinda, this is Ashwika, Shulini TV, Solan.
Finally, the campus is lively once again as students return, bringing fresh energy and enthusiasm. Let's take a look.
Break were warmly welcomed with energetic and refreshing Zumba session, which soon became the main highlight of the celebration. The activity witnessed enthusiastic participation from students across different departments and promoted physical fitness, active movement, and positive engagement, creating an atmosphere of joy and togetherness on campus. Alongside the Zumba sessions, an exciting DJ night further added to the cheerful and festive atmosphere, allowing students to relax, unwind, and reconnect with their peers. The lively music and vibrant setting helped revive campus spirit and strengthen social bonding. Overall, the event created a welcoming, refreshing, and dynamic environment for students as they began the new academic phase.
Today's Zumba session is filling the campus with energy, music and positivity. It's amazing to see students come together for fitness and fun. Hoping for many such events in the days and years ahead. This is Brinda signing off with cameraman Vaibhav and you're watching Shulini Bulletin.
That's all from Shulini University for today. Stay tuned for more updates and inspiring stories from our campus. I am Vartika, wishing all of you a productive and successful semester ahead. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Namaskar.